They have outgrown the box. I say this without trying to offend the dreadlocks and gravity-defying afros of Mother Africa. But whilst we're still on the subject, please grant me the permission to walk us through the myths of ancient Greece, where I, like Prometheus, may face the holy wrath of Olympus for my choice to educate the youth on how best to use their fire amama. The teens have outgrown the box. You see, her name is Mtande. And it doesn't really matter if she has parental clearance. You see, she understands the internet better than her parents. Her adolescent curiosity could put even Pandora to shame. But upon her head, we cannot place any blame, because the answers her not so innocent age group seek are considered taboo, whilst the sweet thoughts of intercourse attract the killer stings that pierce the skins of the adults who are now oblivious to how they can talk to Kasonde about the birds and the bees. Iwendani, way the adolescents have outgrown the box. They didn't even need to break the locks, because fingerprints are all that's needed to open these digital chastity belts. So now there's a serious lack of decorum shown by these once bubbly believers. So honestly, if you're trying to reach them with Jesus, you have to do better than screaming preachers. Abusa, please accept. The kids have outgrown the box. Because in all honesty, if the topic of sexual reproductive health and the discussion of adolescent sexual activity has the ability to place your heart in close proximity to negative emotions like anger, then you might want to keep your blood pressure in check, because your child's friend group may have developed a proclivity to request more than just an innocent peck. You see, they have been sexually active for a while now, but yet some of us are still thinking, why now? Why should we change our approach to HIV and adolescents? Well, we have to be innovative, because now, res ipsa loquitur, the facts speak for themselves. AIDS is still the #1 cause of death of adolescents in 12 countries in sub-Saharan Africa, and 50% of unintended pregnancies are among 15 to 19-year-olds. What this means is that the fires are lit, and it's people like you and me who are expected to teach them how to tame the flame, because a blame game will not help contain the pain felt by their unguided actions. My dear, they are rebels now. And they have burnt their shame. They have outgrown the box and tossed it aside. So the solutions we seek are no longer in it. We have to think outside. Because the solutions you seek are no longer inside. There's no time to debate. We're in need of a guide. There's no time to waste. It's time to innovate by thinking outside the box that we too outgrew. And we can't do it alone. All we need is you. The kids have outgrown the box.